Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Stock Analysis Weekly Newsletter. Today is October 6, 2012. Our newsletter is for sharing investment information with you. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is still in the uptrend, but it's currently in the holding state. Uh, I am continued long the market, hold on to my long positions. Let's look at the stock charts of some of the indices. First of all, is the US dollar index. US dollar is continue going down. Nasdaq index daily chart. Nasdaq is in the uptrend, although last 2 weeks it's in the consolidation stage, but the uptrend is not changed. SP 500 is also in the uptrend. Gold spot gold price daily chart. Gold is in a very strong uptrend. Last couple weeks it was in consolidation, but it's still in the uptrend. Silver is also in the uptrend. Last 2 weeks it's in a very tight trading range. This is actually very bullish. If it can break above this trading range, $35 going up, and it can break out from this range, the trend it's gonna have another leg up. Let's look at some of the strong stocks. High-tech sector, we've got Google and SolarWind. Biotech, we've got SRPT, CELG, IPXL. Please note that those are the biotech stock that has some catalyst event. For SRPT, that was last week. It published good trial data, the trial 2 for their major drug. It published a good result. CELG is waiting for FDA approval for the lung cancer drug on October 12th. IPXL is waiting for FDA approval on October 21st. And my strategy is using option to trade the biotech, and I will. It's called Strangle or Strangle, and I will buy 3 calls and 1 put, or in some cases I will buy 1 call and 1 put. And I like to show you the market service sector. We've got some strong stocks in SM, OCH, and HLSS. Home building sector, we've got KB Home and Lennar. One of the bank stock is very strong, TCBI. Gold and mining stocks are also very strong, GOLD, RGLD, and SLW. Uh, First of all, let's look at biotech. Um, SRPT, this is a drug company that publishes good data last Tuesday, and stock jumped uh, almost 180%. And I previously have a little bit of the call option, and I sold on that day when they make that jump. IPXL, this is a drug company waiting for FDA approval on October 21st. It has a major drug in Parkinson's disease, and October 21st, FDA is making a decision whether to approve or reject that application. CELG, Celgene, FDA is going to make a decision on October 12th for its lung cancer drug. And that drug has already approved for breast cancer, and now it's applied for the lung cancer treatment. And from the article I read, actually investors expect it get rejected because the data doesn't seem to be very strong, but you never know for sure. So I just bought a call and put option. Another sector I like to share with you is the market service sector. There's some very strong stocks. For IPO stock is a very strong. And then there's a LPS. It's also a very strong stock. NSM, National Stock Market Holding, is a very strong stock. Very nice uptrend. OCN, another market service stock, had a very big jump last week. Home building sector is also very strong. KBH is a very strong stock. Look at when they break out, has a very high volume. This is an indication that the institution is buying. Lennar, LEN, is also very strong. Another stock, TCBI, is actually a banking stock. It's a very nice uptrend. And when they look at the recent, when they pull back to 10-day moving average, the volume is high, and that's a institution is buying to push it up. And also, I'd like to share with you the gold and the silver mining stock. GOLD, this is a very strong stock. It recently broke out. Price is 120. It's going up right now. RGLD is a very strong stock. It has already broke out on early August around $80. Now it's at 98. Has gone up a lot. SLW is a silver mining stock. It's a very strong uptrend. I'd like to share with you my current holdings. I'm currently long gold and silver ETF. AGQ is a 2 times silver. NUGT is a 3 times gold mining stock ETF. UGL is a 2 times gold ETF. I also long some stocks. ALGN is a dental alignment medical equipment companies making the dental alignment. KBH and LEN, those are US real estate. ASM is a market service company. And also using option strategy to bet on the biotech stocks that has a catastrophic event in near future. SRPT, that was a stock I bought option the week before, and I shared with you last week. On Tuesday, it released the data. Actually, it was on Wednesday. It released the data, and the stock made a jump, 180% ran up. So I took profit on the call option. IPXL, FDA is gonna make a decision October 21st, and I bought both call and put option with a ratio of 3-to-1. CELG, FDA is gonna make a decision on October 12th. IPXL is October 21st. CELG is October 12th. And the investor is expecting may not get approved because of the data seem to be not very strong, but I have no idea. So I'm buying both call and put with a 1-by-1 ratio. That's all for this week. See you next week.